Hey, welcome to my third schouw, yet again online, unfortunately. So I want to start with the class from Jan Robert, Digital Art, and I really enjoyed this class because we got a lot of freedom with this assignment. So I started out making these weird-looking digital landscapes with like completely glitchy vertices. And it was by like pure luck and by accident a little bit that I was messing around in this sculpting program, and I got these like super glitchy, cool looking outcomes. So in the beginning I didn't really know what to do with this because it just looked so cool just as stills. But then I decided to make like maybe just some animations out of it with that's kind of the same aesthetic. So yeah, that was nice to experiment with in cinema with 3D animations and stuff, but I didn't really know yet what to do with that as well. So then I printed them out actually, and that was a good decision, I think. And I was also at the same time trying something with AR for this project, and with the posters I made from them, I made a AR app, which like kinda puts this digital glitchy landscapes into like reality, brings this to life, and I thought that was really nice and interesting. I really enjoyed working on this project. And for designing programs, I made these typographic posters with a world machine program which generates landscapes for games. And that was a bit difficult in the beginning, but I somehow managed to design some kind of typography with it. And then with a workaround, take a screenshot from the top view, and then I could turn it into a poster. So then I screen printed these on like super bright paper with super bright colors. And I actually really liked screen printing, and I really liked the end results. Found them really nice. Then for the second assignment of designing programs, I trained an AI with the script of American Psycho, and I took the voiceovers of Patrick Bateman and tried to like train the AI as perfect as possible, and then you would get these like super weird, absurd sentences, and I found that really interesting and really funny. And then for Mike, I created an installation with this isolation blanket material, which really reflects the light really strongly. And then I connected these panels of this material to the speakers, which then the material resonates and vibrates to the frequencies of the speakers. And then I want to show the project I did together with Puck and the 4 Years of Product Design for Philips Dutch Design Week, called Common Health. We created this interface for this pool that was in an office where everyone could swim, so everyone was healthy. And I really liked working together with product design and Puck. And we made a projection out of this interface. It was also really nice. So for the second assignment of projections, diegetic interface, I created an interface of an alternative internet that would develop if Google was never founded in 1998. So the concept of this is there's a version of the internet, only this internet is basically offline and gets released every month. There's like a new edition of the internet every month, and not everyone can just publish something to this internet. You can submit your publication, but it will have to be approved first before it will be published on the new edition that comes out the next month. So this is basically how we can envision an internet that's not based on the profits on your personal data or on websites being tailored completely to the needs of search engines. For design by code, I made this this little game, actually multiplayer game, where you can. So the idea is you can scan the QR code, and then you can use your phone as a controller to control this digital ocean or aquarium. Liked this project a lot. Also, it was really nice making this, because at first, I had something in my head, but I didn't know if it would work and if I could manage all the technical difficulties. But in the end, I managed it, so I'm really happy how it turned out. And I really learned a lot doing this project. I tried a lot of different coding libraries and techniques and stuff that I didn't really know yet of coding, so that was really nice. Then for the class of Louis, critical engineering, I helped making the website for the streaming event, and for my stream itself, I created a audio reactive visual that reacts to the music, and the music I also composed. So it was really nice to have some kind of collaborative thing in the end with all the works for everyone. So here is a little piece of my stream. So that was everything I wanted to show. I think this semester went actually really well. I think this is one of the first time I actually managed to finish every project for every class, so that's nice. But I think the only thing that I will do differently next semester is be a little bit more decisive. I had some moments that I was not sure what I wanted to do, and that therefore I lost a little bit of time. So maybe I want to do that a little bit more efficiently next time to come up with better ideas a little bit faster. Yeah, to really think a bit better about my ideas. Okay, that was it, I think. Thanks for watching.